I'm Kanchan Sharma and I'm Assistant Professor of Botany in Biyani Group of Colleges. And I welcome you all on behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today's topic for discussion is Oscillatoria. Oscillatoria is a algae, and Oscillatoria is derived from a Greek word which is oscillator, and the meaning of oscillator is to swing. The Oscillatoria algae has the capacity to swing or to move around like a pendulum in the water body where it is residing, so its name was given as Oscillatoria. Now we are going to discuss about the systematic position of Oscillatoria. It belongs with the division Thallophyta. In Thallophyta, we keep the plant which are now divided distinguishedly in root, stem and leaf. Next is subdivision, it is kept in algae. It belongs with the class Cyanophyceae, as it has the Cyanophycean store food material, like Cyanophycean starch is the store food material for Oscillatoria, as well as it has so many Cyanophycean pigments, like it has chlorophyll A, it has phycocyanin, so it gives a blue greenish color. That's why it is kept in the class Cyanophyceae. Next, it belongs with the order Nostocales, family Oscillatoriaceae. Now we are going to discuss about the occurrence of this algae. It is a freshwater algae and it found in freshwater pool, pond, ditches, and during the rainy season it is found in the ditches which are temporarily formed. A part of it reside on the bark of the tree as an epiphyte also. So here are some members we are going to discuss about. Like Oscillatoria prolifica is a phytoplankton. It swims in the water, in fresh water. Next is Oscillatoria limnosa. Limnosa resides in salt lakes. Oscillatoria terribriformis is a thermal algae which is found in the hot atmosphere. Next is Oscillatoria brevis. It is found in the paddy field, rice field it is found, and there it does nitrogen fixation. Next is Oscillatoria agardi. Agardi is a epiphytic algae which is found on the bark of Tectona tree. So in various kind of habitat you have seen it occur. This algae has these all pigment, like it contain chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A, as we all know, is a universal pigment. It gives greenish color to the algae. Beta carotene, C phycocyanin and myxoxanthophyll are other pigment which are found in Oscillatoria. The store food material in Oscillatoria is Cyanophycean starch and Cyanophycean protein. This algae Oscillatoria reproduce by vegetative and asexual means only. During asexual reproduction, it reproduces with the help of hormones. No sexual reproduction is found in Oscillatoria. So friends, now we will be discussing about the structure of Oscillatoria. Oscillatoria is unbranched trichome-like algae, and it comprises several numerous cells in it. It is non-divided, means unbranched algae. Its topmost cell is known as apical cell, and then there is a chain of numerous cells found in this algae. There is no distinct division of labor found in this type of algae. The apical cell is of different type of shapes, like it could be curved like this. It has the capitate type of shape. Filamentous, it could be calyptra type or pointed type. So these are different type of shapes in which the apical cell may found in different species of Oscillatoria. Now moving ahead about its microscopic structure. It shows the prokaryotic organization. The outermost layer is made up of mucilage, and then there is cell wall. Cell wall is around 2000 angstrom thick, and it is made up of cellulose and pectin. The pectin make its outer layer, where the inner layer is made up of cellulose. Then next comes the cell membrane. After that, its whole the liquid which is present in it divided in two parts. The outer part is known as the chromoplasm and the inner part is known as the centroplasm. The outer pigmented part, which is peripheral also, that is chromoplasm, is known as chromoplasm because it comprises so many chromoplasts and the pigmented particles in it. There is store food material like synophycean fat and synophycean protein present in it, where the centroplasm, it is a colorless and central portion which is around the nucleoid or the genetic material of this algae. The genetic material of it, of Oscillatoria, shows as the fibril of DNA and RNA, and it is known as nucleoid or genophore or incipient nucleus. There are no membrane bound organelle found in this algae. Ribosomes are found, which are of karyotype, prokaryotic type of organization, that is 70S type. The characteristic feature of Oscillatoria is different type of movement which are found in this algae. Like there are three kind of movement which this algae shows. The first movement is bending type of movement. The trichome of this Oscillatoria bend down and then upward. Such type of movements are known as the bending movements. Next is oscillation type of movement, on which this algae's name is kept, oscillare, that is to swing around. Like in oscillation movement, it move like the pendulum of the clock in such a manner. These are oscillation movement. And next are the rotational movement. In rotational movement, the trichome of the Oscillatoria move in such a manner, like we rotate our head in 360 degree angle. In such a way, it shows different type of movement. So friends, lastly we are going to discuss about the reproduction of Oscillatoria. No sexual reproduction is found in this algae, so it is a very simple kind of algae. It reproduces only by vegetative means and by asexual means. By vegetative means, it reproduces with the help of fragmentation. During the fragmentation, as we know, it is a long trichome-like structure. So with the help of, when any mechanical force implies on it, it breaks down in 2 or 3 segments, and each segment can form a new algae. So it reproduces in such a way. Next is asexual means. For the asexual mean, it reproduces with the help of hormogonia. Hormogonia is a Greek word which is derived from 2 words, that is hormos or gon. Hormos means chain and gon means to regenerate. So regeneration of a new chain is known as hormogonia. For hormogonia, some intercalary cells of the trichome, they die. Like here you can see these darker cells, these are the intercalary cell of the trichome. They die and they are known as the separation disc or the nacridia. These separation disc and nacridia, after the death of the cells, what they do, they absorb water and they swell up. Now these are the weakest point of this whole trichome. As some mechanical force implies on it, they break down in small cell fragments like this, and this is known as hormogonia. Now this hormogonia, in favorable condition, it germinate and form a new filament of Oscillatoria. In such a way, if we see its life cycle, it's very simple. Oscillatoria reproduce vegetatively by fragmentation, and it reproduce asexually with the help of nacridium, formation of nacridium or separation disc. Then it form hormogonia and it can regenerate a new plant. This is all about Oscillatoria, friends. Thank you for watching, and for more information please log on to our website www.gurukpo.com. Thank you so much.